What if a single coffee table could completely transform your living room? Rustic coffee tables are more than furniture. They bring warmth, character, and a handcrafted feel into your home. Today, I'll share 10 stylish rustic coffee table ideas that inspire woodworkers of every skill level. Hello, friends. Welcome to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. This channel is all about woodworking inspiration, smart designs, and projects you can actually build yourself. Let's explore these beautiful rustic coffee table ideas. Number 1. Reclaimed wood coffee table. Built from old barn wood or salvaged lumber, this style adds history, texture, and natural character to any room. Number 2. Farmhouse X-leg coffee table. A thick wooden top combined with bold X-shaped legs creates a strong, timeless farmhouse look. Number 3. Rustic coffee table with storage. Open shelves or hidden drawers make this design both beautiful and practical. Number 4. Live edge wood coffee table. Keeping the natural edge of the wood creates a one-of-a-kind centerpiece that feels raw and organic. Number 5. Industrial rustic coffee table. Mixing solid wood with metal frames delivers a bold, modern rustic style, perfect for contemporary spaces. Number 6. Chunky square rustic coffee table. Thick boards and solid proportions give this table a sturdy, cozy presence in any living room. Number 7. Pallet wood coffee table. Affordable and beginner-friendly, pallet wood tables are great first projects with endless customization options. Number 8. Rustic lift-top coffee table. A hidden lift top adds everyday convenience while keeping a clean, rustic appearance. Number 9. Distressed finish coffee table. Sanded edges and worn finishes give this table a warm, lived-in charm. Number 10. Log or stump-style coffee table. Using a log slab or tree stump creates a bold, natural statement that instantly draws attention. If you want step-by-step woodworking tutorials to build stylish coffee tables like these, visit woodcraftingideas.com, where you'll find detailed plans, measurements, and easy-to-follow build guides. Thank you for watching DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us which rustic coffee table style is your favorite. Keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next woodworking project.